So how can you find the derivative of this exponential function? So the first thing you have to know is that you have to know the formula for finding the derivative of this kind of function. So the formula is a u times u prime ln a, like that. So this is the formula for finding the derivative of exponential functions, like this. So here, so what you have to know is that first of all we have to find u, so u, and then we have to find u prime, and then we have to find a. So what is u? So u is this exponential function a, which is x squared. So u is equal to x squared, and then the derivative of x squared is 2x, like that. And then a is this 6 which is in front a, so a is equal to 6, should just be a, not a prime, a. So a is equal to 6, like that. So after finding this, we have to replace what we have in this formula. So the final answer will be au. So au, so a is 6, and then u is x squared. So au times the derivative of u prime, so times the derivative of u, so here where, so u prime is the derivative of u, so the derivative of u, which is 2x, and then write l n a. So instead of writing a, we're going to write 6. So a is equal to 6, so we're going to write 6a. So this is the answer. So that's the answer. So that's how you can find the derivative of this exponential function. So with that being said, how can you find the derivative of 4 raised to the power 2x minus 3x squared? So in order to find the derivative, so we have to first of all find a, and then u, and then u prime. So what is a? A is equal to 4. And then what is u? U is equal to this exponent, which is a. So u is equal to 2x minus 3x squared. And then the u prime, which is the derivative of u, is equal to 2 minus 6x, like that. So after finding this, we have to replace in the formula, which is a u times u prime ln a. So what we have to do is that we have to replace. So au is this original function here. So au is 4 raised to the power 2x minus 3x squared, like that, and then open bracket. So what is u? So u is the derivative u prime. So u prime is the derivative of u. So u prime is this, the derivative of u. So it is 2 minus 6x, like that. After writing this, then write ln. So instead of writing a, we're going to write the value of a, which is 4. So 4 there, so it will be 4a, like that. So this is the answer. So this is the derivative of this function. So this is therefore the answer. So that's how we can find the derivative of this exponential function. So what about this one? So how can you find the derivative of 2x cubed minus x squared? So first of all, you have to find a, u, and u prime. So a is equal to 2, and then u, x cubed minus x squared, and then u prime is equal to 3x squared minus 2x, like that. And then replace in the formula, which is au times u prime l n a. So we have to replace in this formula what we have here. So au is equal to this o function here, which is 2 raised to the power x cubed minus x squared, like that, open bracket. So here, what is u prime? U prime is 3x squared minus 2 x, like that, and then write ln. So what is a? A is equal to 2, like that. So this is our answer. So now with that said, so how can we find the derivative of, let's say we have lnx. So how can we find the derivative of lnx? So to find the derivative of lnx, what you have to do is that first of all you have to know the formula for finding the derivative of natural logs. So the formula for finding the derivative of natural logs is so if we have, let's say in this case we have lnx, or so let's say just ln v. So the formula will be v prime over v, like that. So that's the formula. So the formula is v prime over v for natural logs. So what is, so again we're going to identify what we have. So v and v prime. So what is v and what is v prime? So here v is equal to x, and then v prime, the derivative of x, which is 1, like that. So we're going to replace in this formula. So it will be, so the formula is v prime over v, like that. So we're going to replace in this formula. So it will be so v prime is equal to 1, and then v is equal to x, like this. So this is our answer. So this is the derivative of lnx. So let's try question. So let's say we have ln x cubed, like that. So what is the derivative of ln x cubed? So first of all you have to know the formula, which is v prime over v. So and then after writing the formula we have to identify v and v prime. So v is equal to x cubed, and then v prime is equal to 3x squared, so which is the derivative of v. So and then after that replacing the formula, so it will be 3x cubed over, or 3x squared over x cubed. So after this, so notice that we can cancel here it is, so here it is 3x cubed. So here we can cancel 2x's on the top and 2x's on the bottom, so it will be 3 over x, like that. So this is the answer. So that's how we can find the derivative of ln x cubed. So let's try this. So what is the derivative of, let's say we have ln sine x, like that. So the formula remains the same, so which is v prime over v. So here we're going to so what is v? So v is, so what let's say just say v is equal to, and v prime is equal to, so what is v? So v is equal to sine x, and then v prime is equal to cos x. So we're going to replace in the formula. So cos, it is going to be cos x over sine x, like that. So here we know that cos x over sine x is equal to cotangent. So here it will just be cot x, like this. So this is our answer. The derivative of ln sine x is equal to cotangent, like that. So that's how we can find the derivative of ln sine x, like that. So what is the derivative of, let's say we have let's say we have ln, let's say we have ln cos x, like that. So the formula remains the same, which is v prime over v, like that. So what is v and what is v prime? So v is equal to cos x, and then v prime is equals to negative sine x, like that. So we have to replace in the formula. So v prime is equal to negative sine x, like that, and then we have v, which is cos x, like that. So we know that sine x over cos x is equal to tan x. So this will be equal to tan x, like that. So notice that here we have a negative sign. So this, instead of being a positive tan x, it is going to be negative tan x, like that. So that's our answer, like that. So let's try, let's say we have let's say ln open bracket, like that, plus x squared plus 4. So here what you have to know first is, again, the formula v prime over v. So what is v and what is v prime? So v is equal to x cubed plus x squared plus 4, and then v prime, the derivative of v, which is the derivative of v will be 3x squared plus 2x. So the derivative of n constant is equal to 0. So we are not going to write the derivative of 4, which is just 0, like that. So again, we have to replace into this formula. So it is going to be the derivative. So v prime is equal to, so v prime here we have v prime we have 3x squared plus 2x, and then v we have x cubed plus x squared plus 4, like that. So that's the answer. So with that being said, so how can we find the derivative of, let's say we have let's say we have log 2 x6 squared, like that. So how can we find the derivative of this log? So remember, so all you have to know first is that, so first of all you have to know the formula. So the formula for finding the derivative of logs is, so in this form, so this log which is in this form, which is log a, let's say just v here, the formula then will be v prime over v l n a, like that. So now we know the formula. So what we just have to do is to know the value of v prime and v and a. So let's gather the information. So we have, so let's say a, v and v prime. So what is a? So a is the base a, which is 2, and then what is v? V is what is inside a, so it is equal to 6x squared, and then v prime is the derivative of v, which is 2 of x, like that. So all we have to do now is to replace what we have in this formula. So it will be, so v prime is equal to 12x, and then v is equal to 6x squared, like that. And then what we have to do next is to write l n a. So a is equal to, here we have 2, like that. So this is the derivative. So this is easy, the answer, like that. So let's try one more example. So let's say we have log base 5 open bracket 2 minus x squared, like that. So first of all, let's identify v prime and a. So v is equal to 2 minus x squared, and then v prime is equal to the derivative of this function, which is v. So it will be the derivative of this function will be negative 2x, and then a, which is the base a, is equal to 5, like that. So now that we know all this, let's replace in the formula, which is v prime over v ln a, like that. So v prime is equal to negative 2x over v. So v, we have 2 minus x squared, like that, like that. So, and then a, we have ln a. So what is a? A is equal to 5, like that. So this is therefore our answer. So this is how you can find the derivative of these logs. So that's the answer. That's the answer. As simple as that.